is it? I think we're impressed with this one. Just look at the bag it came in. That's all I'm gonna say. It was weird. I don't even know what's around now. I don't really care. School food review. It's fucking chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets is an overstatement. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat this one. I don't know. They did give me ketchup, so don't know why they didn't give me 2 ketchups, because I'm gonna need it. Sadly, no one will give up their ketchup, because look at this. You're not gonna eat that without ketchup. You physically cannot. So we're just gonna get right to it then. Dip this bad boy in the ketchup, take a bite.
This tastes exactly like what you'd expect a chicken nugget from school to taste like. It's just a chicken nugget.
It's firm.
Definitely.
It's very firm. Everything else they gave me, pretty dog shit. Again, milk's the only good thing, along with the applesauce. It's definitely not bad. It is spiced. There's like you do get spiced chicken nuggets and not just plain chicken. Not spicy, might I add, just not white person. I can't open milk. I'm sorry. Not spicy, sadly. Wish they added some hot sauce with this. Would make it edible. But that's all school food, I guess. It's firm. It's terrible. But not as bad as I was expecting. Also, they gave me a 5-piece, and he only got 4.
If only.
They gave me a 5-piece though, so I'm grateful for that, because I do like food. But on a school food rating, would I rate the pizza? Probably 1 out of 10. This is probably gonna be a 3 out of 10 on school food rating. If the pizza was 1 out of 10, this would be 3 out of 10. Yeah, and that's about it.